Here is the biggest update. CBSE has revised and reduced the syllabus of Class 10 by 30% for CBSE Board Exam 2021. The board's decision of eliminating such a big portion of syllabus will definitely help the students to reduce their stress and anxiety regarding the final board exam. And the best part is the board has clearly mentioned that the deleted portions of the syllabus should not only be considered for the final board exam but for any school based internal assessment also. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Pragya's Gurukul. In today's video, I am going to provide you the detailed and complete list of CBSE Class 10 science topics that have been deleted. You will also come to know the chapter-wise topics from where no question will be asked in the final board exam. And the most importantly, I will guide you with proper strategy for preparing physics, chemistry and biology sections separately. So let's begin. There are total 16 chapters in your science syllabus. According to the new CBSE exam pattern, the final board exam will be conducted only for 80 marks and the rest 20 marks will come from the internal assessments at school. The theory portion of the science syllabus is divided into 5 broad sections. Here you can see the mark distribution on each section. Unit 1 comprises all the science chapters. Unit 2 and 5 both cover biology chapters while Unit 3 and 4 include all chapters of physics. Thus, the mark distribution across the 3 subdivisions come out as follows. In chemistry, total 25 marks are allotted. In physics, total 12 plus 13, 25. And in biology, total 12 plus 13 plus 7, total 23 plus 7, 30 marks are allotted. Here, as you can see, all the 3 parts of science carry almost equal weightage. Now, let's discuss them one by one. In chemical substances, there are total 5 chapters, out of which you need to study 3 full chapters. And these are chemical reactions and equations, acids, bases and salts, periodic classification of elements. The deleted topics belong to metal and non-metal and carbon and its compounds. From metal and non-metal, the deleted topics are basic metallurgical processes, corrosion and its prevention. The other topics, that is chemical or physical properties of metals and non-metals, the reaction between metals and non-metals, that is ionic bonding, all these you need to study. In carbon and its compounds, the deleted topics are nomenclature of the functional groups, difference between the saturated and unsaturated hydrocarbon, chemical properties of carbon compounds, ethanol and ethanoic acid, only the properties and uses, soaps and detergents. The topics that you need to study are carbon, its properties like its covalency, catenation, etc., the covalent bond formation between different elements, and in ethanol and ethanoic acid, only the properties and uses are deleted. You need to study the reactions of ethanol and ethanoic acid also. Moving on to the preparation strategy for chemistry. Here you need to practice the balancing of chemical equations very well. Study the periodic classification chapter really well as it is quite scoring. For that, try to memorize the elements up to atomic number 20 with their atomic number, symbol, electronic configuration, etc. MCQs come from pH related topics very often. The bonding between metal and non-metal topic is also very important. Next comes natural phenomena. Light, reflection and refraction, the whole chapter you need to study. From the chapter Human Eye and the Colorful World, these topics are deleted. That is, functioning of lens of human eye, defects of vision and their correction, application of physical mirror and lenses. The other topics, that is the diffraction through a prism, atmospheric refraction, scattering of light, all these topics you need to study. Next comes electricity. The whole chapter you need to study. From magnetic effects of electric current, these topics are deleted. That is electric generator, direct current, alternating current, advantages of AC over DC, domestic electric circuit. The topics that you need to study are like magnetic fields, then electromagnetic induction, electric motor, etc. Moving on to the preparation strategy for physics. Here, you need to note down and memorize the important formulae and equations, and you must know how to apply them to solve numerical problems. Practice the numerical questions, and revise the concepts, as this is the key to score really well in physics. Practice extensively to enhance your speed with accuracy in solving the problems. Next comes the world of living. Here you need to study two full chapters, that is life process and how do organisms reproduce. The complete chapter which is deleted is control and coordination. In the chapter heredity and evolution, basic concepts of evolution is deleted. Here you need to study heredity, Mendel's law, Mendel's cross experiment, etc. Next comes natural resources. Here, our environment, the full chapter you need to study. Source of energy, the whole chapter is deleted. The chapter, that is the management of natural resources, can be considered only in the internal assessment, not for the annual board exam. Now comes the preparation strategy for biology. You need to practice diagrams with proper leveling, like various types of asexual reproduction, male and female reproductive system, human heart, human excretory system, double circulation, etc. Solve Mendel's heredity process. And mostly long answer questions are asked from the life process chapter. Now, the last but the most important tip is that you must study the NCERT Class 10 Science textbook thoroughly and also solve the exercise questions of the book, because question paper of the final board exam is most mainly designed from it. So, clear all your concepts, and with continuous practice and revision, I am sure you will definitely excel in your upcoming board exam. Hope this video is helpful for you. Thank you.